So I thought it might be worth sharing, just in case some people didn't know. There's an interesting way to install a screen protector on your phone using tape. I prefer to use this sort of relatively weak electrical tape just because it doesn't leave behind any residue. So I'll show you how I do that. First I'll remove the case from my phone there. So yeah, my phone got yeeted and I broke the screen protector. I should not have done that. There is glass literally everywhere. Great. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and pretend that never happened. So in case there are any like fingerprints or anything, just take a lens cloth. You can get these with glasses, and sometimes you get them with computer monitors and other sort of electronic items. Just wipe any any fingerprints off. Just make sure to really check this thing out thoroughly under the light. That screen protector left a little bit of residue around the corners there that I'm just going to need to take off. So yeah, as you can see, the screen's actually in really good shape because the phone's had the screen protector on it the whole time. So here's where the tape comes in. Now you've got your screen protector. I'm using a glass one there, just a really basic glass one I found on Amazon. These things are a couple of quid now, so I'd highly recommend getting one because as you can see, it's saved this screen a hell of a lot of damage. So I'm just going to quickly stick that there. So with that tape I was talking about earlier, I'm going to get one little piece there and stick it on the bottom half of the screen, and then I'm going to get another piece top of the screen. So now very carefully I'm going to go ahead and just line up the bottom and the top of the screen so that all the holes line up, and alright, good. So now I'm holding it in place. I'm going to just quickly press that tape down around the sides of the phone like that. And now as you can see, the screen protector is in the correct place, but the tape acts kind of like a hinge. So you might be able to see where I'm going with this. So, kind of got to open it like this. So there's a quick little balancing act now, where in the space of about a second or so, I'm going to wipe the screen, remove this, and then flip the screen protector back over onto the front of the phone, like this. And the idea here is that it doesn't trap any dust under the surface of the screen protector. Well, that's the theory anyway, so we'll see how this goes. And now, this is the really satisfying part. I love that every time. It just fills the whole screen with the adhesive, just goes down. Very nice. And now, lastly, just peel the tape off. Look at that. I love that so much. And as we can see, absolutely no dust under there. And it's on straight. And yeah, that should be good to go for however long it takes me to break this one. So thanks for watching.